In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to reset the waste ink pad counter on the Epson L1300 using the adjustment program in a simple and easy way.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The waste ink pad counter records ink used during cleaning cycles. Resetting it is a routine maintenance procedure for the printer. First, turn on the printer and connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Now download the reset tool using the link in the video description. It is available for free. You only need a Telegram account because the files are hosted on the Device Doctor Telegram channel. Now open the program, click Select, and choose the correct Epson L1300 model. This will allow the reset tool to detect and communicate with your printer properly. Now select the particular adjustment mode option. Open the waste ink pad counter option. Now select Main Pad Counter and click Check to see how much of the counter has been used. As you can see, the counter is at 42%. Now we will reset it. Select Main Pad Counter again, then click the Initialize button. Now turn the printer off and then back on again to complete the reset process. Now check again to see if the counter has been reset. If the process was successful, it should show 0%. That is the complete process of resetting the waste ink pad counter. By following these simple steps, you can easily reset your printer and keep it working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with Device Doctor for more useful printer repair tutorials.